In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make graphs in Adobe Express. First, open a design in Adobe Express. You can start a fresh project, like an infographic, a presentation, or any blank canvas that fits your layout, or you can open an existing design where you want the graph to appear. Give yourself a little space on the canvas so you can see the chart clearly while you work. Next, add a chart. In the left side panel, look for Charts and Grids, then choose Charts. You'll see several chart types, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and progress charts. Pick the one that best matches your story. Bar charts are great for comparing categories, line charts show trends over time, pie charts display parts of a whole, and progress charts, like bars or donuts, highlight completion toward a goal. Don't worry, you can switch chart types later if you need to. Once your chart is placed, it's time to input your data. You'll see fields for label and value. Labels are your category names or time points, and values are the numbers you want to visualize. Enter your information carefully and keep labels concise so they remain readable. Use the plus icon to add more data points, remove ones you don't need, or rearrange them to tell the clearest story. If you're using a pie chart, it's a good idea to double-check that your values represent parts of a whole and that the labels are distinct. Now, customize the chart so it matches your design. Click the Properties icon to fine-tune the details. You can show or hide labels and the legend, which is helpful if your chart sits in a tight layout or if the legend would add clarity. Choose whether values appear as numbers or percentages. For pie charts, percentages often make comparisons easier at a glance. Adjust font size, color, and text style so your chart is legible and consistent with your brand or theme. High contrast between text and background will improve readability. If you're using a progress chart, you have extra options. Adjust the thickness of the bar or donut to make it subtle or bold. Tweak the corner roundness for a softer or sharper look, and set the fill color and opacity to match your palette without overwhelming the rest of your design. You can also set the chart's blend mode to help it sit naturally over images or textured backgrounds, but keep an eye on clarity as you experiment. That's it. With your data in place and the styling dialed in, your graph is ready to enhance your design in Adobe Express.